Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Bought a larger SSD, but don't want to reinstall Windows or lose your files. In this video, I'll show you how to migrate everything from your old drive to the new SSD. First, connect the larger SSD to your computer. You can use a USB adapter, an external enclosure, or install it directly if you have an extra slot available. Next, download and open iSunshare CloneGo. iSunshare CloneGo is the reliable SSD cloning software, which can copy everything from your old drive to your new SSD. It is simple and clean. After the cloning, you can directly boot from the new SSD without reinstalling Windows. Now, you can start the SSD cloning process. Open CloneGo. From the main interface, choose Disk Clone. Now select your current old drive as the source disk, and choose the new SSD as the target disk. Double-check that you've selected the correct destination drive, because all existing data on that SSD will be erased during the cloning process. Once everything looks good, click Start to begin cloning. The software will copy your Windows system, programs, settings, and personal files to the larger SSD without reinstalling anything. When the cloning process is finished, shut down your computer. If you've replaced the old drive, simply power on your PC. If both drives are still installed, enter the BIOS or boot menu, and choose the new SSD as the boot drive. After booting from the larger SSD, you'll see that everything is exactly where it was before, just with more available storage. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded to a larger SSD without losing any data. I will see you in the next